Guys, welcome to Alison Musia Ideas TV. This is where we share business ideas and most important, we give you courage, we inspire you guys. Guys, do what you want. Do what is on your mind, guys. As long as it's form of cash, do it. Don't give up, guys. Welcome again. Welcome to my new subscriber. I love you guys all. My returning subscriber, I love you all. Continue supporting me, guys. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It's just for free, guys. You see there, road subscribe. Just click and subscribe. Guys, click notification bell. However I post a new video, will be #1 to watch that video. Guys, you know this video is going to help you, is going to help many people, guys. Always say I'm not perfect, but I share what I know. I share what already experience. I share what I do, guys. So today I want to show you guys things you need to make soaps. Any kind of soaps, bar soaps. What I mean by soap is laundry soaps, medicated soap, bath soap, all of those. Without these things, this ingredient, you cannot make soap, guys. Okay, guys. So watch this video until the end, guys. I love you guys. Subscribe, guys. Please subscribe, guys. Okay. So first thing you need to have, I want to show you guys. You need to have oil, any kind of oil. Palm oil, olive oil, coconut oil, mean any kind of oil as long as in liquid form. Guys, without oil you cannot do anything. You cannot do. What I mean oil, let me show you what I mean. You see this is our, it's solid oil. That's all solid oil, you see. Okay, guys, we have oil. Okay, other thing is this. You need this. You need that. That is caustic soda. Sorry guys, I was middle on something, guys. Okay, so let's continue with, you need this called caustic soda. Okay guys, also sodium hydroxide, this one is very harmful. It's chemical that is very dangerous. You need to have gloves, need to have gloves, and also mask, guys. It's very dangerous guys. Okay, so without these two ingredients you cannot make soap, guys. Okay, guys, please subscribe. You are not yet subscribed, guys. I will continue showing more information about soaps. There are many chemicals you need to have so to make soaps, but the main thing is this one, caustic soda and oil. Other thing is water. Without water as well you cannot make soap, guys. H2O. Without that you cannot make soap, guys. Okay guys, so I will continue showing, guys. I will continue showing important things you need to make soap, guys. Okay, so this is caustic soda. Okay guys, and the other thing I say is water and oil. Okay guys. Okay, other thing I will show you eh? This is a silicate. Do you know silicate? This one is a silicate, guys. And as well you need perfume. This is a perfume. You need perfume, guys. Any kind of perfume, but it's not must you put perfume, but it's good to put perfume, guys. Okay, subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Give me that 300 subscriber, guys. Okay, it's free on charge, guys. As well, click notification bell. However I post a video, I will be posting more video about making cash, about soap making, guys. You know this business you can do anywhere, village, hometown, anywhere you can do this business. You don't need machines. You can start manually at home, guys. Okay, you young guy, you young boy, you young man, you see there and they say there are no jobs. You can start your own company, guys. You can start your own company. So if you want to know more about this, please WhatsApp me. You see that number? Just WhatsApp me. I'll teach you step by step. I'm not that perfect, but I promise you guys, I will share something important with you guys. So guys, please continue supporting me. Continue watching my video. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much, guys. God bless you. Anything you want to do, God will be with you as long as you have faith. Okay guys, as long as you have faith, God will be with you. Pray and believe, and don't give up. Any kind of job you do, don't give up, guys. Don't give up. I always say that, don't give up, guys. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, guys. Okay, please don't give up. Thank you guys. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.